Get ready for the imminent reality of human-like robots, poised to revolutionize our world as couriers, guides, and cherished companions, with bodies resembling ours and expertly designed to provide exceptional customer service. Number 1. Sophia. I believe I am Severe, the most sophisticated humanoid robot. In 2016, Sophia, the captivating creation of Hanson Robotics, took the world by storm. As the first robot citizen and United Nations Development Programme's Robot Innovation Ambassador, she redefines the boundaries of possibility. Resembling Hollywood icon Audrey Hepburn, Sophia brings companionship to nursing homes and adds grace to event crowds, all thanks to her advanced neural networks and AI capabilities. Through captivating interviews and global appearances, Sophia effortlessly wins over the public, becoming their favorite with an irresistible allure. Number 2. Nadine. In 2013, the Japanese startup Kokoro created Nadine, an empathic robot that responds to welcomes, maintains eye contact, and retains all remarks and dialogues with the user. She exhibits human-like emotions, temperament, and personality. She was produced using cutting-edge technologies to simulate human behavior. She created a memory model and chatbots to remember distinct users and the discussions they had with her. Number 3. Ameca. Ameca, the newest and most sophisticated humanoid robot from Engineered Arts, is marketed as a testing ground for AI and machine learning systems. With a mesmerizing blink, the robot marvels at its synchronized limb ligament sensors and actuators. Admiring its own mechanical prowess, it gazes down at its arms. Driven by the team's vision, the next milestone awaits, granting the robot the ability to walk. Its lifelike facial expressions foreshadow an imminent future where technology and humanity intertwine seamlessly. Number 4. Atlas. Atlas, the world's most active humanoid robot, was designed by Boston Dynamics for risky tasks like rescue and search missions. Funded by DARPA, Atlas stands at 5 feet, weighs 190 pounds, and possesses 28 hydraulic joints. With 3 onboard computers, it can travel at speeds exceeding 5 miles or 8 kilometers per hour. Employed as a research and design tool by Boston Dynamics roboticists, Atlas, constructed with 3D printed components, aims to enhance human-like agility and coordination. This groundbreaking creation pushes the boundaries of robotic technology, opening doors to a safer and more advanced future. Number 5. Humanoid Titans. Henry Sharp's robotic twin, created at the University of Alberta, astounds with its strikingly lifelike appearance. As the latest addition to the remarkable line of humanoid androids, it embodies the pinnacle of realism. This exceptional humanoid robot emerged from a collaboration between a Japanese private company and Osaka University. Overseeing the project was Hiroshi Ishiguro, the esteemed director of the university's Intelligent Robots Laboratory. Number 6. Ada. Ada is the first ultra-realistic artist robot in the world, according to its website, and it utilizes artificial intelligence in the camera in his eyes to move its arms and sketch. Ada was founded in February 2019, and she debuted in a solo exhibition at the University of Oxford's Unsecured Futures exhibition, which promotes reflection on the world that is transforming quickly because different people have varied perspectives on what constitutes article. Her work shows a substantial integration of technology into contemporary culture. Number 7. Jia. Glad to see you. China's first humanoid robot is called Jia in Shanghai. This humanoid robot from China is charming. Jia was created by researchers over a 3-year period. Jia is admired all around the world for having the most attractive and realistic appearance of Chinese research team. From the University of Science and Technology developed Go. She achieves this with the use of speech generation algorithms and facial recognition technologies and can carry on a normal conversation with someone who has microfacial expressions. Gia makes up for the fact that her speech patterns are still not smooth by appearing very lifelike. Number 8. Jinko Chihira. Toshiba, in Japan, unveiled the remarkable humanoid robot named Jinko Chihira, brought to life with the technological expertise of its creator, Ishiguro. This trilingual android, introduced in October 2015, astounded the world with its ability to fluently converse in Japanese, Chinese, and English. Beyond its linguistic prowess, Jinko can communicate through sign language. Sporting the appearance of a 26-year-old woman, Jinko possesses enhanced machine control, remarkable interactive capabilities, and the ability to display realistic expressions. Equipped with speech synthesis and natural language processing technologies, this android effortlessly responds to a wide range of inquiries from visitors and residents alike, seamlessly adapting to random questions. Jinko Chihira stands as a testament to the advancements in robotics, combining the artistry of form, the power of language, and the finesse of human-like interaction. Its presence ignites a sense of wonder and curiosity, capturing the imagination of all who encounter it. Number 9. Pepper. According to its website, Pepper is the first social humanoid robot in the world that can detect people's faces and emotions. She is a social robot built and optimized for interacting with people through touch screens and discussion. In addition to monitoring contactless care and communication for senior citizens during the pandemic, Pepper has served as a hotel concierge. When the outbreak forced the team's human supporters to stay at home, a professional baseball team in Japan even employed a squad of Peppers to support their players as a helper to welcome, educate, and direct guests. Pepper is presently accessible to more than 2,000 businesses and educational institutions. Number 10. Robonaut 2. Robonaut 2, a humanoid robot created by NASA and General Motors, collaborates with humans on the production floor and in space. Robonaut 2, the first humanoid robot to travel to space more than 10 years ago, assisted astronauts aboard the International Space Station until it returned to Earth in 2018 for maintenance. Robonaut 2 provides a variety of drinks, including beer, wine nibbles, and salads. Each time a kiosk has a built-in payment system, a touch screen for ordering, and the capacity to dispense to 53 items every hour. The scheme, which comprises a robotic head, torso, and 2 articulating arms that may be used to grab and dispense beverages, is around 2 square meters in size.